Alhamdulillah, great.
Why you say Alhamdulillah and great?
Okay, actually, all the time people say Alhamdulillah because everything is planned by Allah. So till now, is everything, there is no problem. Even though there are a lot of people in our picnic, almost 600 people. So there is some problem, but I think it's okay.
Just 5 sentences about the place.
Okay, now it's 5:10. So the sun is already setting. So the environment is cool, and all the nature is like not lively. And in this place, there are a lot of people as well as there. We can see there are a lot of trees and different types of trees, flowers, and
Do you think
yeah.
English is very important?
Yes, obviously, I think English is very important for every man's life.
5 reasons why English is so important.
First of all, if I say this is the international language, and second, if I say if you go anywhere, you should communicate with other people. So learning English, you can communicate other people. And thirdly, I think if you want to get good job, so it is needed, essential. And fourthly, I think this is our academic subject, so it is also important to learn English. And lastly, if you want to enjoy any movies, obviously it is in English, so I think understanding movie, you should learn English.
Okay.